Hey, what's up, guys? I just got a new package from Skatewarehouse just in. Spencer, you can get up on the bed. Just my dog. Oh, come on. Oh. Boy. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it here now. And okay, where that bullshit is. Where should I open this to? Right there. Come on, you bastard. Walker! There we go. Look at me shoes box, dear. What's that? So I ordered some Shake John ABEX 7 bearings, triple OGs. It's the first time ever having these, and it says, "Get your roll on, ShakeJunt.com." Get them on, boy. And oh, roger pads. I ordered roger pads. I completely forgot to order roger pads. Just girl orange roger pads. Yes, yeah. So there's that. Oh, I ordered grip tape too, didn't I? Well, I knew I ordered grip tape, but I can't remember what kind of grip tape. Pretty sure it's just like the grizzly on top, that little thing, whatever they says, with the white on it. Yeah. Yeah. White grizzly lettering on top. Grizzly and diamond. And I got some Osiris shoes. What's this? Sunglasses. I know those sunglasses. Alright. When I put in on the cart and which Skatewarehouse, it said Osiris sunglasses came with it. So I got sunglasses free with the shoes. I don't mind. Son of a bitch. These came free with it. I don't mind it. I do not mind it. Now, get my shoes out. They are beautiful. What is this bullshit here today? That is what I ordered. Shoes are Osiris Caswell VLC blue and PER and white 11.5. Osiris Primo shades, Shake John ABEX 7s, Grizzly stamp print, grip tape white, and girl orange roger pads 1/8 of an inch. Yeah. So this is just some stickers they give me. Another Go Skate sticker. My friend Bailey, he ordered off of this not too long ago, and he got stickers, but he didn't get the Go Skate sticker. And they got new stickers out. Well, I don't know if they're new, but they're new to me. Obviously. There's 2 of them. Oh my god, them shoes are awesome. I just can't even look at them. Just looking at them. The only thing I want you to see in a minute. But I'm going to show you. Oh my Jesus, yes. They are fucking beautiful. Man, they didn't even put the white laces in. Wow. Idiots. They are absolutely beautiful. Are they not beautiful? Oh my God. What shoes I have here. Oh my God. These shoes are actually amazing. These shoes are amazing. Man. Well, that's pretty much it for my unboxing. And subscribe. And you'll see some clips of me skating my grip, shoes, shake jumps, risers, and a blind board. Yeah. And probably my sunglasses. But yeah, so that's it. So subscribe. And Spencer's going to do a little exit video. Spencer. Say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Peace.